Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a home located on Bridgemount Drive, Kingston. This house sits on a half-acre of land and comes with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with views to the sea. It is also only 4 minutes from Manor Park. The house measures 3,500 square feet upstairs and features a self-contained 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom flat with wheelchair access. The house was recently renovated top to bottom and includes a separate storage building, washing room, helpers' quarters, and beautiful swimming pool. House is fully guttered and has a covered carport, which holds 3 cars with additional parking for 4 plus cars. Inverter AC units and ceiling fans are installed throughout. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 135 million or US $877.1 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.